Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the performance mode on your Redmi Note 14. Now keep in mind that the performance mode is a feature only exclusive for Redmi Note 14 Pro and 14 Pro Plus. Now let's say for instance, if you have noticed your battery is draining quite quickly or your device is overheating, you can simply disable the performance mode if you have it enabled. Now to disable it, simply open the settings, scroll down and select battery. And then within the battery, simply tap on the current mode option. And then from here, simply choose any other option. If you want balanced battery saver or ultra battery saver, so choose the one that you prefer. And you have now disabled performance mode on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.